National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pickaway County, Madison County, western Franklin County, Ohio, eastern Clark County, southeastern Champaign County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Plattsburgh to Derby, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include London, Mechanicsburg, West Jefferson, Grove City, Hilliard, Plain City, Upper Arlington, Worthington. In addition, Brighton, Derby, Catawba, Madison Lake, Big Plain, Catawba Station, Choctaw Lake, and Harrisburg are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 62 and 97, Interstate 71 between mile markers 88 and 98. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.